guys should be celebrating these vlogs that are coming your way, because yeah. So today is the 3rd of April. Today is Good Friday, but tell me why it feels like Saturday, because I'm sure you guys can hear the noise, right? Yes, we're doing some laundry in the house and I'm doing some cleaning. But then I was thinking of filming. So guys, like I was saying, we're doing some laundry in the house, but then I want to go out. Today is holiday. Today is Good Friday, celebrating the death of Jesus coming to die for us on the cross of Calvary, for your sins, for my sins, and to give us a better life and the promises of eternal peace. That is such a beautiful thing, and I'm so grateful. So I was thinking, instead of spending the whole day at home doing nothing whatsoever, I was thinking of taking myself out for shopping. So I have a lot of shoes, like a lot of shoes to go to work and flats and full shoes, flats. But I don't have sandals. So whenever I want to go out, even though I want to look casual, I'll end up wearing sandals as well. And it's not nice. By the way, you guys cannot imagine what I'm deriving my light from. My power bank. This thing is really nice. I got it for 365 millions, and this thing is good. It has a light and it's a lot, but I'm not doing it for sponsorship. Nobody's sponsoring, but I just wanted to show you guys, especially considering the light system in our country right now. I needed this power bank and it's serving me well, right? Okay, so yeah, back. So I was thinking of going to the supermarket to get some. Okay, firstly, to go in our area. So I live in a market area. I'm not going to show you guys for security reasons. So like we have vendors that sell sandals. We have vendors that sell sandals, and yeah, so I need to go get that. At least I would get a very cute sandal. And then I want to go to the supermarket to get myself some things. Like my hair is dirty. This is like a 3 weeks old braids. I'm trying to take my braids down, but I don't have a shampoo. I have a deep conditioner from my brand though, but my shampoo is done, and I've been finding it difficult to get the raw materials to formulate. So I'll just get that, and I think I'll just pick snacks and all of that to commemorate this day. So yeah, but then I was thinking chai terms, they're very particular, so I think I need to check if they're open today, because I wouldn't want to dress nice and then at the end go there and they're not around. So yeah, so let me check and then yeah. All right guys, so I checked and they're open, right? So in spite of the fact that it's the holidays, they're open, so I need to get ready. I'm still going to finish my hair, but then I'm just going to unravel, like twist this one together so that I would go, because if I'm going to wait till I finish, I'm not going to, in fact I'm not going to even going to finish this hair today. So yeah, and I was thinking, why not go tomorrow? But then I don't know what tomorrow holds, so I'll just go, because I procrastinate a lot. So if I procrastinate today, it will never happen. So yeah, come along with me guys. I am dressed, but tell me why I've fallen in love with myself. I don't know if you guys. So this is my favorite, right? Very long skirt, very long off. I love it. And you guys know I'm trying to unravel my hair, so that's why this scarf. But I love it. And I feel like I'm going to regret unraveling my hair, because tell me why this hair is looking all nice. Tell me why, right? And then of course, yeah. So this guys. So I almost changed my mind from not going, because my mom, my grandma, my niece, everybody's sleeping and the wind is cold and then the sun is up. But then I'm still gonna go anyway. So guys, I don't know if you guys can notice, but since I'm going to be editing, you would not notice. So it was a failed outing, failed trip. Remember I told you guys that church terms are in the tradition of when they see public holiday, they just close. I don't know if it happens to all supermarkets, but they don't open on holidays. I don't know. What if like I am in need of household, like personal care, and they're closed? I'm so pissed off. And the fact that I googled, well, I don't trust Google anyways, but I googled and then it was stated open. So I thought, okay, it's public holiday, but then it's Friday, then it shouldn't affect them, right? Because there's supermarket and not an office. Oh, this is so frustrating. So I went there and then I wanted to go, since I already came out, right? I wanted to go visit a friend. Guess what, guys? Traffic. Mad traffic. I'm back home. So yeah, I'm back home to babysit. Hence why you're hearing auntie, auntie. Anyways, so tomorrow we go again. I'm making a video, baby girl. Okay, thank you. You are in my frame. Move. So we go again tomorrow. No, put my microphone down. So we go again tomorrow. Hopefully, your hair is in my video. Ah. So we go again tomorrow. Hopefully. But the thing is, I'm so pissed off. The fact that I wore this and I could not even use it. Like when you. Hi guys, happy Easter. See me saying Easter. Happy Easter. Jesus is the reason for the season, and we're getting ready to go to church. This is my outfit for today. I just wanted to look really beautiful, I always look like the king's daughter, but today I wanted to look extra elegant and I wanted to make a statement, you know. So this is it, my blazer, some top in and some jean skirt. I will try as much as possible to time I want to take photos of me so you guys can see the full fit. But yeah, Jesus is the reason for the season. Jesus came to die for you on the cross of Calvary, and it's a sign of an undying love. There is nobody that has been spoken of that came to die for us as human beings, so as humanity. So but Jesus came and died for us so that you and I will be saved and reconcile ourselves to God. So yeah, I love my look so much. Hi guys, good afternoon. Happy Easter Monday. Today is Monday. Oh my god, you can hear this. Let me get my. Hi guys, happy Easter Monday. My neighborhood is very noisy right now, hence why I'm using the mic. But yeah, it's Easter Monday and I'm about to prepare something for the house. My mom instructed me to make potato salad. Well, I was actually craving it and I told her I wanted to eat, but then she was like, "You want to eat and so make them for yourself." So yeah, let me show you guys the ingredients. I don't know if I'll be able to film because my tripod is broken. So, and I would like to give you guys super duper angles. But let's see if I'm able to show you guys how I go through the process. And yeah. So yeah, I had to wear something on top because my top had it was split. So yeah. So these are just basic ingredients. If you make potato salad, you know these are the basic ingredients. And of course, we have 2 packets of twisted macaroni. Macaroni. And then we have, of course, the star of the show, um, the Irish potato. And then we have some chicken. I don't know. I'm having some thoughts if I'll do fried or I'll bake or what. But as I'm going, I'll try to figure out. And of course, the egg. So I'm going to put the egg and the Irish potato together so they can boil together. And then there's supposed to be what is it called, luncheon, but then I'll collect it from the shop. And then we have veg, some carrots, and some green beans. So we're gonna do that. And yeah, so let's do this. you.